the relationship between the soul and the spirit. The soul evolves through many incarnations, it has been suggested. The spirit, however, is that which is quintessentially you. In the same way, your mother and father's DNA coalesce to make your new version, it is suggested so does the soul and the spirit. Just as the same would be true of your brother or sister, or even your identical twin, they will be very, or at least slightly different in character and perhaps look to you. It is often said talents skip generations. Scientists would suggest recessive genes, but perhaps there are other energies at play. Think of a pencil. The graphite through the middle is the soul, and the spirit is built around it. If you drop the pencil on the floor, it will not seem to damage it, but only months later you may find the lead was damaged. There was no way it could have been seen.